How do you personally build the future you and your community seek?
I think that for a future that me and my community see is like, I love nature and I love plants, and personally, like, my friends have gotten me into like environmental stuff, like especially my roommate, she's amazing, and like we have plants like all over in our room now, and it's just like been a really fun time.
Personally, I feel like, I guess making mistakes is also like a way to like try make yourself a better person in the future. I would say like, I guess that would also help, just learning your mistakes and then how to become better in things and just to improve for the better.
Personally, I think just going to school and trying to have a positive mindset every day and help other people is, if everyone does that, then that's really building towards a better future.
Just by doing your thing, by doing your thing, you just focus on yourself, focus on others, and just, love others. Because if you don't love others, not be able to do the thing you're able to do for the future and for others.
I built my future by just being, I built the community future just like being part of it, and partaking in the community I want to be a part of and helping it grow in any ways possible, like supporting other people and just trying to build everybody else up.
How has your community supported you throughout this pandemic?
I think emotionally, I think we all have a shared response and connectivity through that. I think everybody's been affected in similar and different ways. So yeah, I feel like very emotionally supported by my community.
I would say ever since I came to Seattle U, just the energy and like everyone was so welcoming and friendly and stuff like that. And I will say that really helped me grow as a person.
I've had huge support through the pandemic, both like on my Facebook with people giving me encouraging words, and then also on Zoom with both my Buddhist meditation group and my church, just right over here, Seattle First Baptist Church. So the community has been really supportive, connecting with people, seeing people's faces, talking to people on the phone, and then a few people have been able to go out on walks in the park. And so I feel really supported. People really reach out.
I feel like there's definitely a lot of resources, at least at SU, allowing people to kind of like reaching out through different clubs or things that are happening on campus.
So I've had like a lot of mental health issues, especially after freshman year, and I really like the people at Seattle U because I've made like a solid friend group, like a solid 5 or 6 people that I can rely on no matter what. And everybody here is so encouraging, always so welcoming. Like I can say hi and they're willing to strike up a conversation. So it's definitely something that I really appreciate, and the teachers here are just wonderful.
Well, when the pandemic started and all of the businesses and schools started shutting down, I was able to communicate with my teachers and workers a lot, and that really helped a lot, just knowing that I had people to talk to and I had a support system.